The TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is the gold standard in industries such as nuclear energy, pharmaceuticals, aerospace engineering, electronics manufacturing, food processing, and chemical production. Let's focus on its pivotal role in the nuclear energy sector. Nuclear facilities demand absolute precision and durability in their pipelines to handle extreme conditions. The TATE machine's automated orbital welding system delivers flawless welds for reactor cooling systems, steam generators, and heat exchangers, ensuring long-term safety and reliability. Its advanced technology supports high-temperature materials, such as nickel alloys and stainless steel, which are essential for nuclear applications. By minimizing human involvement, the TATE machine reduces the risk of errors, offering unparalleled consistency and compliance with the industry's highest standards. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, providing tailored OEM and ODM services. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Contact us at info@oaktate.com for more details.